Yet Tom hasn't snapped, he stayed calm, focused, ready for anything. Whether it's Volkov's power, Almeida's ground game, Gane's slick striking, or if Jon Jones actually shows up, Tom is ready. Until that happens, he's training for every scenario. He's doing what true champions do, showing up, grinding every day, staying prepared. But the clock's ticking. How long can the UFC keep playing games before fans and fighters start demanding something real? Because Tom Aspinall isn't going to sit on the sidelines forever. He's here to fight. And whoever signs that contract first, they're in for a war.